If you want to learn about Deadpool, specifically his 25th anniversary cover issue, then stay tuned because I have so much in store for you. Let's break down the 25th anniversary of Deadpool from Deadpool Volume 4, issue number 7, released in 2016. This cover celebrated 25 years of absolute chaos, fourth wall breaking, and one of the most unpredictable characters in Marvel history. Deadpool first appeared in 1991, and by 2016, he had become one of Marvel's biggest anti-heroes, especially after the huge success of the Deadpool movie the same year. But let's talk about this specific issue. This cover is part of Deadpool Volume 4, released during the time when Marvel was pushing Deadpool into bigger storylines and more mainstream attention. At this point, Wade Wilson wasn't just a random mercenary, he was an Avenger, a global brand, and somehow still completely unpredictable. The 25th anniversary branding of this cover is a symbol. It's about longevity, cultural impact, and Deadpool's evolution from a side villain to a front cover superstar. His design is instantly recognizable. Red suit, white eyes, katanas, and guns everywhere. That simple visual is why he works so well. Deadpool was created by Fabian Nicieza and Rob Liefeld, and originally he was a darker, more serious assassin. But over time, writers leaned into his humor, his insanity, and his fourth wall breaking awareness. That meta-awareness became his superpower, beyond just his healing factor. He knows he's in a comic, and that sets him apart. By 2016, Deadpool had survived multiple cancellations, well, of course, started in solo runs, crossed over with nearly every Marvel hero, and headlined a record-breaking R-rated film. This anniversary cover marks the moment he crossed from niche to mainstream, and that's rare for a character who breaks every rule. From an art perspective, anniversary covers need impact, strong pose, clean silhouette, and recognizable branding. Deadpool's red and black color scheme is instantly striking, and that pose exudes confidence, chaos, and humor, all of which define him. In short, 25 years of Deadpool isn't just a comic milestone. It's a celebration of risk, evolution, and pure comic book chaos. What do you think about Deadpool? What do you think about Wade Wilson? Is he your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. And if he's not, let me know what your favorite comic book character is. If you enjoyed this breakdown, and of course me drawing Deadpool from the exact cover, then stick around for more art cover drawing thingy videos, stuff like that. Yeah. Go out and share this video out to your city, your town, whatever. Because, that'll strike up a conversation. Hey, yeah, what is your day? Yeah. Oh, yeah, I like this guy, Athron Comic. He's pretty cool. Oh, who is this guy? Oh, just some random comic book guy. And, yeah, you should subscribe. I'm just kidding. But yeah, a little more about me is that I'm working on a comic book universe. Just think of Marvel, DC, and Image Comics. Yeah, I'm going that big. But of course, in order to go big, you must start small. Where I must start is digital comics. Of course, I'll work my way up to doing physical copies. Then eventually doing merchandise, doing a whole bunch of other stuff. Figuring out other ways I could potentially, promote my comic book brand. If you ask me, I'm quite excited to do all this stuff. I have really relatable characters. I have very powerful characters. I have very psychological, emotional driven characters. Father figures, mother figures. Funny characters, also dangerous. Mixing in mythologies and scientific theories, as well as my personal religion, Christianity. But of course it doesn't stop there. There's other made-up religions I have in there. A lot of the stories I have are really made up of the concepts of love, forgiveness, and justice. And of course, adding in, anti-heroes and anti-villains, there is destruction. Stuff as anger and revenge and all this stuff derived from anger, or just a wicked heart. Seriously, I would not want to miss out on this. I've really lost track of time, right? It's been every day since I've been, working on this comic. I believe it's either 3 to 5 months. I really lost track, honestly. Yeah, I'm pretty much making these characters as if they're like family, I know them and they know me. And what I just love about it all is the metaphorical, the similes, the symbolism and subliminal messages. Stuff when you catch a glimpse that you're like, I see what you did there. But yes, this is my drawing of Deadpool of the 25th anniversary issue cover, and yeah, just a picture though. This good, this good. I hope you all guys enjoy, and definitely subscribe if you're into another comic book universe, and yeah, you're gonna enjoy this great storytelling, all from the heart.